Good day, scholars. Today we're going to continue working on our Gamefroot platforming levels. Last week you should have added your start screen here. Um, you should have also added a win screen, and you should have also added a game over screen. And then in the actual level, you should have added the code that when you step on an obstacle, it takes them to the lose screen. And if you step on some sort of object you added. It could have been anything. The winning object, let's say, when they interact with that, when they touch that, it takes them to the win screen. That's basically what we added. You just coded in those two objects and the collision and all that kind of stuff. This week, we're just going to continue on, keep it pretty simple. Go ahead and go back to your tutorials. You should be in Platformer Game 1. So if we go all the way back to the beginning, Intermediate Resources, Platformer Game 1, go ahead and hit let's go, and you should be on week 4, keeping score with variables. So we've depending on what class you're talking, if you're talking about my 8th grade or you're talking about the 6th grade, we might have talked about variables before, but you're going to learn about variables again because variables are very important in programming, as well as types of data that you can use within programming. So it's going to be adding collectible objects that the player character can pick up. It's about increasing the score as they pick those, the video game score that they're playing for as they pick up those objects, displaying that score on the screen so they know what their points are, and updating that score as they pick up new stuff. So to share it with me, what you need to first do is make sure you save it, right? File, save game, name it, whatever you had it named before. And then once it's saved, in the top right, go to the share. And you can send the link to me, right? So you can copy this, and then you can go to your Gmail and you can send me this link here, right? Or if you want to send it through the inbox of Open Access, you can do that as well. Whatever works for you. Again, you're free to work ahead if you want. Doesn't matter to me. We're going to continue on this till the end of the year because we only got about 3 weeks. So you can work 3, 4 ahead, and depending on what you want to do. It's up to you. So stay safe. Try and learn some new stuff. Keep on top of your work, and I hope you guys are doing well at home.